Hi, boys and girls. In this episode, we look at rivers. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define the concept river, name and identify the major rivers in each parish, name and identify the major river on each continent, identify and describe the parts of a river, and complete at least 4 of the activities at the 8 learning centers. A river is a large body of fresh water that is bordered by its banks. These are the sloping ground on either side of a river. The force of gravity allows the river to flow from its source in the mountains along a channel which travels over a bed of sand and stone. As the river meanders across its channel, smaller streams called tributaries flow into it. This allows the river to get wider as it continues its journey to the estuary where the river water mixes with sea water. As the river flows from the estuary, it enters the mouth of the river into the sea or ocean. Some rivers also flow into lakes. Figure 1 shows the parts of a river. So here, river, we have the source, we have the channel, we have the bed, we have the banks, the tributary, the estuary, and the mouth. Engage. Use a key or legend on a physical map of Jamaica to locate the major river in each parish. Is there a river in Kingston? Think about Manchester as well. Now identify and name the major river on each continent. Okay? Explore. Access the internet. Download and view videos on the major rivers in Jamaica and on each continent. Explain. Complete figure 2 by writing beside each number the meaning of each part of a river. So source, usually this is in the mountains where the river starts. The banks, this would be the land to either side of the river. The channel, that's a path through which the water flows. And the mouth is where the river and the sea or lake or ocean meet. Extend. We're taking our learning a little further. Table 1 shows the 7 continents. Write beside each number the name of the major river on that continent. Then beside each letter, write its length. Let's see. So we have here Africa, the Nile, in kilometers, 6,695. Do the same now for Antarctica. Okay. Asia, Australia, Europe, North America, South America. So we know South America would have the Amazon, we would have the Mississippi, Missouri River here, the Yangtze in Asia, Australia, the Murray-Darling, and you can figure out those for Antarctica and for Europe. Evaluate. Now, complete at least 4 of the activities at the 8 learning centers. From the Faye Ellington Center, we have our word link, make bookmarkers. On the front, write the name and length of the major river on a continent. And on the back of your bookmark, you can write the name of the continent on which the major river is located. Self-link from the Dr. Agri Arons Center, make a journal entry expressing a desire to navigate the major river on a continent. Music link from the Jimmy Cliff Center, write song lyrics for the concept rivers. Picture link from the Edna Manley Center. Access the internet and go on a virtual tour of a major river from the source to the mouth. Body link from the Rex Nettleford Center. Use available resources and make a model of a river. Label the parts of the river. Social link from the Mary C. Cole Center. Use a digital device and take photos of the model of the river and share the images in your class WhatsApp group. Finally, the nature link from the Dan Macaulay Center. Trace a map of Jamaica on a blank paper. Write the name of the major rivers in each parish. So in this episode, we were looking at rivers. You should now be able to define a river. And having done the activities, you should be able to identify the major river in each parish, name and identify the major river on each continent, identify, name, and describe the parts of the rivers, and you should have completed at least 4 of the activities from the learning centers. Take care, and we'll see you in our next episode.